Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. Duppy want a light. Full story. The old married man who cheated on his wife, the same one who had children with Honey's daughter and granddaughter in the previous story called I'm Coming Back for You Baby, also had some run-ins with Duppies. He was walking home on a long country road one night and got exhausted because he was riding his bicycle up the hill. He jumped off the bicycle, pushed it, and was smoking a cigarette. He saw another old man walking towards him. The man asked him for a lighter to light his cigarette. He told the man that he only had matches. When he lit the matches to give the man a light, he was shocked to see it was a Duppy man. He was looking right into the man's head that was rotted corpse. He ran away and jumped on the bicycle riding non-stop until he got home. His heart almost stopped. He almost collapsed with fright. He was known to have encounters with the devil out of Hell's Gate often because of the wicked life he lived.
Like and follow for more. Follow Jamaican True Stories on YouTube. Link in bio.